Now, let's demonstrate the back stitch. How much floss should we use each time? Here, we are using the second one. This is color number 8. How much floss should we take each time? About 1 meter is enough. This length is just right. Start from one end of the line. Before starting, remember to tie a knot. Always remember to tie a knot before starting. Then begin. Bring the needle through. The first stitch is somewhat similar to the stem stitch. Take one stitch. Then move forward. The exit point for the needle should match the length of the previous stitch. Bring the needle through. Then go back. Return to the previous point and bring the needle down. Then move forward again. Bring the needle through. Go back and bring the needle down. Repeat this process continuously. Bring the needle through. Bring the needle down. Repeat these actions continuously. Each time you bring the needle through, make sure the stitch length stays consistent. This will make the lines smoother and more visually appealing. Once this is done, the embroidery is complete. Start from one end of the line and bring the needle through. Start here. First, take the first stitch. Then move forward and take another stitch. Return to the center point and bring the needle down. This completes the stitching. This is the demonstration of 2 strands. The effects of using 2 strands and 5 strands.